description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got one that's interesting today. It cooks very quickly. This is, it says in the description, as you can see, everything's in Korean. This is a kimchi ramen, and you will see that on the big show today, along with other exciting, fascinating things. See, it's all in Hangul. So yeah. How are you doing? Today is the 5th? Maybe the 6th? It's the 6th day of March, 2020. 6. It's 3626 noodle. So this one is weird because it's not, there's really not a lot of cooking involved. You just need boiling water, and you need 2 sachets, and you need noodles, and that's it. So let us prepare this fine meal for you, my true friends, one and all. Don't look at me like that. Here is, what do you call it? This is a freeze-dried block, and this has all the veg in it, but it's in a freeze-dried form. These things, like, explode to life. It's really neat. Here, let's put this on first, and then we'll do the block. Then you add in boiling water and just kind of stir it up, and boom, there you go. But I want to show you what it looks like when you do that, because it's really neat how quickly it just kind of jumps into being hydrated, unfreeze dried, undeleted, yeah, reinstalled. We watched this guy named Grant Hartling, and he has a really good YouTube channel. He's a pharmacist. But he'll mention, like, if you do this, you're going to die. But he doesn't say you're going to die. He says you're going to get uninstalled. I really like that. Thought that was humorous. So, come here. Come here, look. So there is the noodle and the stuff. And here is the... See? Whoa. Everything's getting crazy. So I'm going to pour the boiling water. Where's the fill line? I don't want to die. Oh, it's right there. Not bad. So let's get it so you can see it, because I want you to see it. So we watch. Here we go. It will not take long, and it will just fall right apart, ladies and gentlemen, and turn into a magical, wonderful experience of olfactory and flavor enjoyment. So there to the line. And that's it. Look at that. Look how quickly that thing has turned into something that it wasn't once before. There's a spoon, as spoons are popular when dealing with soup. What's going on? There we go. So this is all kimchi, and then you just stir the noodle around, because this noodle is already done. Look at that. Oh, I haven't even grabbed a bowl yet. Cripes, as my mother used to say. She used to say that. Cripes, Hans. Yeah, I'm serious. Well, I'm working on it here. But yeah, it just says give it a good stir, and you will have your Korean kimchi noodle soup ramen deal stuff. It sounds good. Definitely smells like kimchi. If you like kimchi, this is definitely up your alley. Alright, so first things first, let's try the kimchi. There's plenty of it. There's our kimchi. That's a pretty good sized chunk of kimchi. Let's see if it's crisp. Yeah, it is. I like that. Now let's try our noodle. This is called shelf stable fresh. So it's good to go for a while. Okay. There's our broth with a bit of kimchi in it. That's delightful. It's a little on the salty side, I will say that. But that is good. All right. So that one. Okay. I think I found the bowl I want. So last night we went to this place that we're kind of new to, and it's called Crumble, and they have fancy cookies there, and they're big and they're crazy. So we went there and we got cookies, and we brought them back to our humble abode. So pretty standard. So what's the big deal, right? Well, we got cookies and we got home and everything was going well. And as it turns out, we had something else that wasn't so wonderful that kind of decided to ruin our cookie fun. We had little friends. Ants. Yep. And they invaded like nothing else. And this crumble joint is really spendy. We got a lot of cookies and a lot of ants. So one box of the cookies, that was that. No going back, nothing going to be saved. Which really sucks, because, I mean, we wanted to eat the cookies, you know? I mean, come on. So, that's a real bummer. But, what do you do? Except, I think we're going to just have to go get more cookies. It may just happen that way. Okay, what else do we want to add on to this? I'm going to tell you right now, not a lot, because this is really nice stuff. Little seed. And, you know, it's kimchi. Come on. Pepper thread. And aside from that, I think we're good to go. Except for our poor cookies. I mean, there were ants. Literally. They were ant-encrusted cookies. After like 20 minutes. It's sad. Well, that's it for me. It's Friday, so Monday there'll be something new to try. I need to do some unboxing videos. I need to get stuff ready because there's going to be a Meet the Manufacturer that's going to come up that will have already posted by the time you see this. So I'm just finishing up the Meet the Manufacturer of YY CG Foods of Nepal. Next one up will be Moon Food of Taiwan, and that 5 stars on every product. It was that good. So, all right, it's been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every freaking day. Have a good one. Bye bye.